BlackRock adds own Bitcoin ETF to income and bond funds. One of the funds was BlackRock's Strategic Income Opportunities Fund, worth over $37.4 billion. BlackRock's income and bond-focused funds have bought shares of the asset manager's own spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the first quarter, regulatory filings show. BlackRock's Strategic Income Opportunities Fund snapped up $3.56 million worth of the iShares Bitcoin Trust, while its Strategic Global Bond Fund made a $485,000 purchase, according to May 28 Securities and Exchange Commission filings. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. The IBIT shares are a fraction of BSIIX and MAWIX's investment portfolios, respectively worth $37.4 billion and $776.4 million. IBIT currently holds $19.61 billion worth of Bitcoin, according to BlackRock data from May 24. It only trails the converted Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which holds $19.76 billion as of May 28, Grayscale data shows. More than 600 United States investment firms have bought spot Bitcoin ETFs since they launched in January, recent SEC filings revealed. Morgan Stanley, J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Royal Bank of Canada, BNP Paribas, UBS, and hedge funds, including Millennium Management and Schoenfeld Strategic Advisors, were some of the firms buying up Bitcoin funds. Millennium is the largest spot Bitcoin ETF accumulator, with $1.9 billion invested, including $844.2 million into IBIT and $806.7 million into the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. On May 23, BlackRock was one of 8 firms to have its spot Ether ETF bid approved in the U.S., but the SEC must approve the firm's Form S-1 filings for the products to start trading. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.